India's luxury car industry has 1.2% share in the total passenger vehicle market. This, in a long-term perspective, gives you a lot of potential for future growth. Today we have a world-class production facility right here in Chakan. This factory is considered one of the best manufacturing facilities of Daimler globally. This is a very modern and only 5-year-old factory and employs more than 700 people. We have made in total investments of more than 1,000 crore here at this place. Mercedes-Benz India is on a very strong growth path. Last year, 2014, was the first year where the total sales in India crossed more than 10,000 passenger cars. This is an all-time high for Mercedes-Benz in India. Recently, we started the expansion of the capacity of our factory here in Chakan in Pune. We take it forward to 20,000 units a year, what is exactly double of the capacity what was so far available. Mercedes-Benz India is very proud to have a full-fledged state-of-the-art paint shop in our premises. It features fully equipped labs, intelligent conveyor systems and automated robotic painting, amongst other highlights. Disciplined talent, high level of technical skills and competencies, diversified and young workforce, good supplier base and the easy access to raw materials are the key benefits of manufacturing in India. With a host of engineering, diploma and industrial training institutes, there is a wide variety of pool to choose from. This workforce can easily be trained to deliver the required results. The Indian market is very important for Mercedes-Benz and we are very positive about its long-term potential. Through Make in India, the manufacturing potential of Indian industries can be truly realized. We have the resources and also the right set of talented manpower, which are key pillars for world-class manufacturing. If I have to select top benefits, it would be a highly competent workforce, a diverse market with a great potential for future growth, and a good supplier base supporting our manufacturing process here. We share the optimism about the government's approach of Make in India. It's a vision and it gives a lot of trust everybody involved into the business. Come, Make in India.